Hey there, I'm standing inside my newest listing here in the Woodlands Hills, Texas. This is a 2021 Ravenna home. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Come walk around and take a look with me. Okay, this is a 2021 Ravenna built home. Floor plan is 2870 if you wanted to pull that up online or just ask me and I will share it to you. Beautiful floral tree out front, nice big tree there as well. And 3-car garage, it's a true 3-car garage. And then location wise, right up the street there is the path to the schools, elementary and middle school. It's a great location. If you're buying new construction here in the neighborhood, you won't get a location like this. You can only get a location like this if you purchase a resale home. This one just came on the market. Let me give you a little bit of a better glimpse here. Really nice porch and entryway. And I'll tell you some specs of the home as we're walking around. You've got 12-foot ceilings at the entryway, crown molding and base molding throughout the main areas. This is a wood look tile floor, really beautiful and durable at the same time. Floor plan wise, let's go through it. On the left here, you have your home office or flex room. Use it for whatever you like. Did I say left? That was right. On the left, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Going all the way into the open concept living, kitchen, and dining. On the right side of the home in the back is the primary suite. Tucked back behind the kitchen is a guest suite with ensuite bath and the garage and utility room. So with that said, let's go take a look at the home. So as you might have guessed, it's a 4-bedroom and it's 3.5 baths, home office, 3-car garage. Just under square feet. I know it's 2870 is the floor plan, and typically that describes the square footage, but this home is actually a little bit more square footage. It's over 2,900 square feet. You can see the glass etch detail. I don't know if it comes off on camera very well, but really beautiful glass etching in the doors, French doors into this home office. Nice arched windows with transoms up top. And I just have to point out this beautiful door, custom glass door, very Texas, and extra light here as well, coming in from that window. Beautiful wide entryway. Before we go down, let's turn off here to the 2 bedrooms. This one has a nice arched window, double window, ceiling fan installed. Get an idea for closet size, walk-in closet. And this home has been impeccably maintained. If you walk through, it feels like a brand new home. Really nice framed glass here, dual sinks, and then tile flooring in the bathroom, tub and shower, tiled as well. And then the water closet-ish here. Towel rack. Anyhow, really nice space in this full bathroom. And then let's head over to the 2nd bedroom. Nice tall ceilings and ceiling fan in this one as well. This one has a little bit of a bigger closet, a little deeper, and it has these built-in shelving. So 2 good sized bedrooms right off the bat. And let's take a look at the coat closet here. And so you have this wood look tile throughout the main areas of the home. You have this kind of upgraded or differentiating tile in the bathrooms, wood cabinetry, and then carpet in the bedrooms as far as flooring goes in the home. So continuing on, again, 12-foot ceilings, beautiful wide entryway. Everyone that's come through so far for the open house I'm having today comments on how open and spacious this home feels. So let's get into the details. So this is the living area, obviously. This opens up to, I'm not sure the ceiling height, it's 13 or 14 because this is 12 feet in the entryway, so I would guess another foot or foot and a half there. Wide open. This is a gas fireplace with stone precast mantle here. Really beautiful detailing. Wall of windows here with transom windows up top. The blinds are a really nice quality blind. I'll show you those. Show you up close. Everything is in just really, really nice condition. Easy to open, close those. Ceiling fan in here as well. Recessed lighting throughout the home. And then you have your open concept dining and kitchen. Kitchen has this high bar, which is so signature Ravenna, but again, you have this molding detailing throughout. It's just so pretty. High-end granite countertops. Dual sink here overlooking the living area and dining and backyard. And I just have to show you a close-up on the cabinetry, because that's another thing people are commenting on, how beautiful the cabinetry is in here. These ornate corbels here on the vent hood. Gas range. And just tons of cabinetry throughout. You have your built-in oven, big drawer here for pots and pans, but built-in oven, microwave, and just tons of cabinetry throughout. Fridge will go there, obviously. And then I think before I show you the primary, let's go back here and take a look at the walk-in pantry. Great size. And then right next to that is the laundry room, which is quite large. And that wood look tiling continues all throughout. And then you have a kind of a little drop zone here in this hallway, which makes sense because the garage is there. We'll go there next. But this is a guest bedroom with ensuite bath. So this is kind of the third bedroom in the home, but it'd be great for a guest suite because it does have an ensuite bathroom, and the shower is so beautiful. It's a walk-in shower, really beautiful tiling. Oops. Framed mirror again in here. And that nice wood cabinetry and really good sized closet in here. This is the biggest, other than the primary suite, but biggest closet. In this, I'll have to turn off the light so you can see the full effect of this little lighting feature that they have, which we can take down if you want, but we left it because we think it looks kind of cool. Okay, here's that drop zone. And then let's head back to the garage. Before we get there, this is the half bath, the powder, which I love the location of this. It's tucked away from the main living area. I don't know if y'all have been in those houses where the half bath just opens to the living area or some communal space. I love how this is discreet. It's tucked back behind a hallway, but still very beautiful. Has the framed mirror, and I love how this one, the cabinetry in here, matches the kitchen. So they did that differently for this half bath, and I think it's such a nice touch. Okay, now let's head to the garage. Full 3-car garage, as you can see, double garage there, and then the third here. And I love how you have this door that opens to the backyard, well, the side yard, for whatever, shed stuff, storage stuff. So as you can see, we're in the Woodlands Hills, so there's just these lush, mature trees everywhere. And this is the side yard. Wait till you see the backyard. Okay, let's go back in, because I'm going to show you the primary suite, and then we'll head out back. Oops. So nice to come back in where it's cool. All right, let's take a little closer look at the dining area here. Nice, big, generous sizing here. You could definitely put a chandelier or a big mirror there. I think I would probably put a mirror there. Anywho, just my 2 cents. Okay, and this little cutout here going to the backyard, another window, just tons of light coming into this home. But let's veer off into the primary suite. Very spacious seating area here. Nice, huge picture windows there. and just plenty of space to do whatever you'd want to do as far as furniture or styling in this room. As you can see, French doors to the ensuite. I'm just going to pay a little closer attention to all of the windows and the light that's coming in. As you may notice, there's fans everywhere, which this is Houston. It's hot. It's Texas. So it's nice to have fans in all of the bedrooms. And this home also has them on the back patio, which we'll go out to in a minute. Coming into this gorgeous ensuite bath. Huge vanity, again with the framed mirror, double sinks, this rich wood cabinetry in here, beautiful upgraded countertop, freestanding soaking tub with blinds on the window for privacy. It's a step down shower, wrapped in glass, tiled, and it has a seat as well. And then got your water closet here. And then let's take a look at the closet. Nice big walk-in closet with some built-in shelving. Nice size. Okay, let's go head out to the backyard. So huge patio, extended out this way and this way. So really large space for outdoor living. You have 2 ceiling fans installed. You have some privacy shades there or sunshades. But you could do so much with this outdoor patio. Grill out here. And then something special about this backyard is this is one of the original sections in the Woodlands Hills that was built a few years ago. And so you just have these gorgeous, mature, lush trees. In some of the newer sections, it's just not quite, doesn't quite have this feel. So it's very quiet back here and peaceful. I'm just gonna walk all the way back so you can get a full sense of the rear. So that's the side yard that we came out of the garage from. And then I'll show you the other side yard as well. But nice big green backyard. And it's neat that most of the trees are away from the home too. But you still have this lush kind of shade and privacy from neighbors because of all the mature trees. And another big side yard. And this lot is graded great too, so drainage wise, it's not gonna give you any problems. Okay, so that is this beautiful home in a nutshell here in the Woodlands Hills. I hope you enjoyed that tour. My name is Candis Hidalgo, Houston Suburbs Realtor with Real Broker. I live here in the Woodlands Hills. It's my honor and pleasure to help folks find their home here and all around the Houston suburbs. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I do these videos for you and I'm always happy to hear from you. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.